Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to MissTecHack. I also welcome you all to a new series on Spring Framework. Spring is an open source and lightweight framework that provides support for building robust Java applications easily. Confused and wondering, like why and how? Don't worry. I will cover it step by step to help you understand it with ease. The series will cover the following: why is Spring used? What is IOC? Constructor injection, setter injection, and literal values, along with bean scopes. So, if you are new to Spring, this series will be very helpful for you. Or if you know anyone willing to learn Spring basics, do share and suggest this Spring Framework series to them. Today in this video, I will be discussing why Spring is used. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to MissTecHack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Now, why Spring Framework? There are a number of advantages of using the Spring Framework. Some of them are mentioned here. First, it is a lightweight framework. That means it needs minimum configuration and also gives a lot of flexibility to us developers in building the web applications. Second, dependency injection, which means creation and binding of objects is moved outside the class. Third, AOP, that is aspect oriented programming, which reduces modularity by allowing separation of cross-cutting concerns. Fourth, minimize boilerplate code. That means there is no or minimal duplication of code. Now let's understand the terms dependency injection and AOP mentioned here in detail. Dependency injections are ones that are responsible for decoupling our application objects from each other. Consider a restaurant where to create a particular dish, the chef needs some ingredients to prepare and process the order. So here the ingredients act as the dependency which is provided from outside, that is by the manager. AOP allows you to decouple cross-cutting concerns from the objects by breaking down the program logic into separate parts called as concerns. We have different cross-cutting concerns like logging, exception, transactions, security, etc. So instead of applying all the concerns separately to different layers of our application, like the web layer, business layer, data layer, instead we can implement it as aspect and use it wherever needed. The biggest advantage here is loose coupling. As all the concerns are self-managed and independent, so you can change and enhance them as per your requirement without touching the application code. So let's move to the implementation part. Download Spring jar files, open browser and visit repo.spring.io/release/spring framework/spring. Scroll down and click on the latest release version. Now, just click on the zip file and your download will start. It might take a couple of minutes. Right click and click on Show in Folder. Now, right click on the zip file and click on Extract All. Click on Extract and it will start extracting files from the zip file. Create a Spring demo project. Open Eclipse IDE and click on File, New, Project. Select Java project and click on Next. Enter project name. Let's say we give Spring Framework Demo. Click on Next. Click on Finish or Open Perspective. We can see our project is created. Let's create the folders now. Right click on Project. Click on New, Folder. Enter lib and click on Finish. Copy all jar files. Go to the extracted folder. Go to libs folder. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A and copy the files. Go to Eclipse. Right click on lib folder and click on Paste. It will copy all the Spring jar files in the lib folder. Configure build path. Right click on the project. Click on build path. Configure build path. Click on libraries, class path. Click on add jars. Go to lib folder and select all files. To select all, click on the first one. Press Shift, scroll to the bottom and click on last. Then click on OK. Click on Apply and Close. Now you can see the references libraries added in the project, which contains all the Spring jars. So we have seen why and how Spring Framework plays an important role in developing Java-based applications. Also, we have seen step-by-step process to add Spring jar files to a project. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.